Here we are, Couplands. I've changed the gas bottle. It's mainly caravans. I don't know if they do motorhomes at all now. Oh yeah, they do. One there. Oh, new runs there.
Obviously, when you sell a caravan brand new, yeah, you sell them with the Nemesis lock. Yeah.
I'm here, Pat.
So yeah, that's it.
Have you had a wander around, Pat?
I've got a wander around, yeah. If you want to.
With the Nemesis lock, so I'm surprised at the Nemesis locks because they are solid secure. So and, yeah, they go through all the top checks and everything. But as soon as you're...
Ah then folks, we've come to this called the Splash. This pub, you have to drive through a oh, I can't remember the name of it now.
Timothy Taylor's here.
Timothy Taylor's. Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Pat's just looking at the menu. What do they call the thing where you drive through water? You can't think of word. No, we can't think of the name of it. You have to drive through a to get to this pub. A Ford.
Yeah.
A Ford.
I think
It's a Ford, isn't it? Yeah, you have to drive through a Ford to get to this pub. It's called the Splash. We've been here many years ago. Is it the Oak? Or sort of the
yeah,
Royal?
The Royal Oak.
Royal Oak. It has two names, doesn't it? Yeah. But I'm going to have I'm going to have award-winning Boston sausages. 3 Boston sausages served with creamy mash, garden peas and beef gravy. That's what I'm going to have. What are you going to have, Pat?
I've no idea yet.
She don't know. There's my sausage mash. There's Pat's scampi and chips. Right, I'm investigating this walk. It's a nice afternoon. Cold, but it's nice. We had a lovely meal in that pub. Went there many years ago when we lived in the static caravan, Woodthorpe Park. We went that cattle market in Louth. We went to have a look at it. It's all right, but it was £7 to park all day. We thought, well, if we parked there today, we'd only walk into Louth to a pub or something and have a meal. And I thought, why pay £7 just to do that? So we decided we'd not stay. We drove to the Royal Oak there instead, which were very nice. And I'm not kidding you, at the Couplands caravans, they were selling them like hotcakes, honestly. Motorhomes and all. So, there you go. It's supposed to be in a recession, but I can't see it. Do you think it's newspapers who just blow everything up out of all proportion, or what? What's going on? It really is lovely in the sun. Pat asked me if I was glad to be out in the van. I think she asked me because things were so chaotic this morning. But I want to be able to make Pat a breakfast every morning when we're in the van. Oh, look at all the snowdrops here. Can you see it? Oh, lovely. Yeah. Yeah, I was saying I want to make a breakfast every morning. Pat does a lot. It'd be nice for her to have a breakfast made for her every morning when we're in van. But I haven't kind of got it worked out because everything went wrong. We ran out of gas and water wasn't hot enough because I was trying to heat everything up on electric and it just won't work. It needs the gas to get the water hot. It could get it hot on electric only. But I'm afraid if I put the heater on as well as the water heater, it'll trip it. I ain't got this. I don't think there's any way around having to have the gas on a morning. The heater can keep the van warm during the day, but on a morning after, because I don't have heating on during night, I'm warm enough in bed. So it's best to heat it up on a morning from cold. It needs the gas. There's no getting around that. You know, I can remember walking through this field. Oh, I think it was when Pat came out of hospital first time. I think it was 94. There were a bull in the field. There's no sign of any animals out at the moment. That's quiet. Yeah, well, same. Pat asked me if I were glad to be out in van, and I am. And I said to Pat, and what about you? She says, yes. Yes, I am, she says. I think we're both glad to be out in the van again.